Shelly Wilson, the realtor.
The price is rare and the potential is real. I may not be a contractor, but I know a golden opportunity when I see one. Let's go inside and take a look and see how you could build some equity with just a little vision. I got some great ideas for this home that can give you big equity right here in the living area. Really, all we need is a little finish work, maybe some paint, boom, updated. Here, as we move into the kitchen's solid. Imagine painted cabinets, new appliances, maybe change out the island. I could probably see actually extending the kitchen over to this wall, having an island this way, and boom, updated. The bedrooms need a little bit more work. I would change out the flooring for sure. Painting the trim, boom, you're updated. Here's a big win for this house. All 3 bathrooms have already been updated, so that's a huge win on your end. This bonus room off the primary bedroom is really ready to go. Maybe some fresh paint and boom, updated.
Shelly Wilson, the realtor.
The lower level may need just a little more TLC, but this is where you can get creative.
Shelly Wilson, the realtor.
Yes, that is a chicken coop behind me. So if you've ever dreamt of having your own fresh eggs in the morning, now's your chance.
Shelly Wilson, the realtor.